Bonanza round 2. Let's go. Fun. My fiance is opening the packs. I have to say that every video, I feel like. What are we starting off with? Fusion Destiny?
Is it centered?
Yeah. 1-for-1. Nemesis.
You.
Nightmare Phoenix. Once again.
Yeah.
Ooh, let's go. Witch of the Black Forest. OG. That's Yugi Boomer status. Mermaid. Area. And Atlantean Dragoons. Yeah, haven't seen that card for a long time. Let's go!
I like this one.
I wanted this one too.
No, this one's mine.
Nah,
Yeah.
it's mine.
No, that's
Byron.
mine. Nope.
Injection Fairy.
Am I even centered? I can't
Wanted.
see.
Yeah, you good.
Oh, QCR.
Clockwork. QCR.
I like this one. No, that's mine.
Waifu tax on that one.
That's mine.
Yeah. Okay, fine. I'll get a QCR for myself. Oh, that's old school too. Goblin D's.
What the heck? Why are you
Oh, look at that. That's a higher rarity than the one you got before.
Yeah.
That one you can have.
No, I'm having anything I want.
Okay. Next.
I can't even read it.
Secret 6 Samurai.
Oops.
Dragon Maid. Perseal. Yeah. Snake Eyes. That's like our, what, 3rd or 4th one?
Who even
Across
knows?
here. That's cool. Is it QC?
QCR!
Let's go. The Dark Magician is meant to be, bro. I'm about to show off. Put this in the binder right now.
Another SP.
Let's go. That's 3.
Oh, this one's
That's
shiny
one.
now.
Can I see this one?
I feel like the other one was faded though. I don't know.
Grave with a super ancient orgasm.
What?
PCR Dark Magician. Dang. That's one I wanted the most. Imperial Order. Nemesis. Is that Bigfoot? It is. Yeah, airplane. And it's too long. Arch Nemesis. Whoa, 6 Samurai. Damn, they're really bringing back 6 Samurais. Heatwave. Wanted. Oh yeah, triple tack 6 thrust. Sold that just in time. From the tin, not this one. Yeah. Oh, let's go, Cyber and Dragon. That's sick. Oh, let's go, we're nice.
This card looks nice.
Ritual Beast, Elder Ring. Damn, that's sick. Dark Magician, Cyber and Dragon, and Red Eyes. Who's this? I can't even read that. It looks so cool though.
Oh,
Allure of Darkness.
I like this one.
Yeah, oh, I wanted this too.
Of course, yeah.
House of Dragon Maid. I'm gonna run some Dragon Maids. Run a Heat Storm. Is that our second one? Bell Star. Another Secret Six Samurai. And
QCR.
QCR for that.
Yeah.
Who's that? Atlantis?
Yeah, I think. I can't see. It's so shiny.
Oh, sick. Substitute. Hey,
I wanted this
you
one.
wanted that one, yeah. Nemesis flag. Hey, Ghost.
It's better than the other one, I think, right?
Yeah. The other one we got was regular secret. What is that? Zombie World? Mermail. A rivalry of warlords. Cyber Shark. I mean, not Cyber
It's
Shark.
QCR.
Really? There's some wacky QCRs in here.
This is your set.
Even before they're expensive. Oh, let's go. Star Goblin. Wrestling Hero.
This again,
The
too?
tank. This thing again. And optimization. Sick. Some cool ass cards in here. Huh? Oh. The Winged Dragon of Raw. Yo, you just pulled the Winged Dragon of Raw. The Winged Dragon of Raw.
Okay.
Do you even know who that is?
No, you're just
one of
making
the
me
three.
open it.
Bruh. That's sick. Winged Dragon of Raw.
You know,
I'm
I
assuming all three of them are in here.
you know,
Obelisk and Slifer.
you know I only.
You know them. Whoa.
Oh, it's thing.
Dark
QCR.
End Dragon. Swamp Frog. Grassy Greens. Salamangreats. Language Chain. Dragon Maid. Branded. Red Eyes Insight. Oh yeah, Dragon Maid again.
This is tiring.
Yeah. Hard work, eh? Jeez, that's old school. A Riff. Summoning Curse. Elder. How many more is in there? 3? 4?
QCR.
QCR, what is it? Horn of the Phantom. Galatia.
It's so slippery.
A plane.
Oh, there's 5.
5?
So
Yeah.
after this is
Give us some bangers on the last 5. Okay. The Breeze. Ancient Gear. Monster Reborn. And Signet Mining. Whoa. Dimension.
Here's the one.
Totally awesome and totally awesome. Salamangreats. What the heck, bro? 3 totally awesomes
That's
in
so
one
weird.
pack. That's so lame. That's totally not awesome. Bruh.
Yugioh.
You go. Area. 6 Samurai.
My arms hurt.
My back hurts.
Okay, 2 more.
What's that? Anti-magic. Bigfoot. Alright, last one. Give us a banger. Oh. a banger. Could be. Whoa, Elemental Hero Prisma. Okay.
Oops.
1 for 1. Secret 6 Samurai and Mods Reborn. Cool. What was your favorite?
This one.
This is my favorite right here.
This one.
Dark Magician.
This one.
Nice. We all get the QC art of this. And should we get one more pack? Let us know down in the comments. PayPal link is down below